Today, I'm going to show you my adobo. This adobo is a bit different from traditional. Pilaf and adobo combination might be a surprise to you. These are the list of adobo ingredients. Now let's start to prepare. Cut the spring onion and set aside for toppings. And now cut the chicken into half and put into the bowl, then add soy sauce. Next, add 2 tablespoons vinegar, to 10 pieces black peppercorn, and 3 cloves garlic. Mix and marinate at least 1 hour. Now slice the onion. I love to challenge myself to do different. This Pilaf and adobo combination are actually really good. Now let's start to do the pilaf, and these all the ingredients. First, butter on the pot and add onion. Take your time to stir the onions, make them to sweat and release its flavor. Continue to stir until they become translucent. Remember, don't make the onion brown. When I make Pilaf adobo, I remove the salt from the recipe. Adobo is enough to balance the taste. Add the rice and mix it up until coated by the butter. You can add saffron, or you can add also the herbs like thyme, or if you want spicy, you can add cayenne. Now, add the chicken broth or chicken stock. Mix it and add the garlic. Boil and cover with a lid. Leave it for 17 to 20 minutes in a very low heat. Once it's cooked, add the butter and mix it gently. Now cover with the lid and let's start to cook the adobo. Heat the oil and put the marinated chicken. Fry them until become golden brown. Now it's time to flip over. Add hot water, same level of the meat, but still it depends how big is your fry pan. This liquid will the sauce of your adobo at the end. Now add the remaining sauce. Now add the sliced onion, laurel, and the chicken cubes. Simmer simmer for 5 minutes more. Now the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan. Let the sauce reduce a little bit and become thicker. You know, when the soy sauce cooks for a long time, the aromatic will evaporate. So I usually do add soy sauce a little bit at the end. Now the sauce is ready. Let's cut the adobo. Now let's do plating. We will do a simple presentation to make our dinner special. Shape the pilaf like a mountain and put on top the adobo onion sauce. Next, arrange the sliced adobo on top. Add a spoon of sauce on top to have a delectable meal. Next, spread the spring onion to make the dish look beautiful. Now serve the Pilaf Adobo. You can also serve with a green leaves on the side of the plate and start your meals with a salad. It is the best way not to consume a lot of rice, and it helps for diet. This Julie's adobo makes difference. Try this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.